Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd come on and do a real quick video share to show you something that I got for Christmas, and I am just starting to play with it now, so stay tuned. So around our house, we do Christmas a little bit different. I tell Santa Claus what I want. Sometimes he buys it. Sometimes he just tells me to go ahead and order it, which is what I did this year. I wanted some dies from Scrap Diva Designs. So I can't remember if I ordered them after Christmas or before, but I got them around that time, and I'm just now starting to play with them. They come in these nice little packages. This one I added a different envelope for it, but there's no name of the die, and I don't want to get mixed up later. So I used my label maker, and I went through and put the name of the die so that I know what I have, and if I want to go on her website and look it up. Now then, I am a Country Craft Creations designer, and I may be using some of these in some of my projects for Country Craft Creations. Uh, you can get these dies if you live in Utah or a surrounding state and you go to the Country Craft Creations brick and mortar store. She has Scrap Diva dies in the store. I don't know if she has all that Scrap Diva carries, but she does have them in the store. You can pick them up there, no shipping. If you get to go to a real-time, real-life retreat, a retreat in Utah, and you're shopping at Country Craft Creations, check out the Scrap Diva dies. I can't even talk today. The Scrap Diva dies. Check those out when you're there. She does not sell them on her Country Craft Creations online shop, but she does carry them in the physical store. So I want to clarify that so that you know that's why I may be using them in my design team projects, even though they are not online at Country Craft Creations. They are in the store. Now this one here is the one I played with first. I'm probably will change the black out. I think I used scraps that I'm working on a design team project right now for Country Craft Creations, doing a I can't ever remember the name of the paper. Simple Stories Say Cheese at the Park. And I thought maybe this little camera might be cute on the front and do some shakers in there. I will probably cut this little piece out here on the front of the camera out of a silver paper, I think. And there's all sorts of little bits in here. So this is the base die. So that's what I cut the red with. And this here is the top die that cuts out the little hearts and the little viewfinder. And then you have all these different pieces that you can make here for the lens. You can turn this into a album. It's really what it's called, camera mini album. I'm going to use it as a shaker. I'll probably cut out a punch out something for there. So anyway, it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So that is the camera mini album that I went ahead and did some punching out. And these little tiny hearts, if you think about it and can keep them, that punch out of there, they might be a lot of fun to have too. So real quick, the other dies, the reason I decided to get some of these dies is I wanted this slimline heart house after I saw Sally use it for a Valentine thing. So I think it probably was after Christmas that I got my Christmas present. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's my Christmas present. So I got the slim line heart house. This punches out the base of the house, and then you get the add-on where you get the window frames that you want to put on top of the house. Super, super cute. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with that, but I love that. And then I thought, well, I'm going to get prepared for Valentine projects. So I chose the scalloped hearts. I love the shape of these. I think these will be a lot of fun. And then I got a heart bag topper, so you can see different size bags. Yeah, on the back there's some more. So you got 3 different size bags that you can punch out the topper for. So that I think that would be fun. This is a Christmas tag bundle. I love the scallop around that. So you've got several options here for a Christmas tag. You got the snowflakes. I thought that would be fun. Here's another one for Valentine, a heart card tag. So you've got the shape here, the different hearts. I really have to look at this. I think there's 2 different sizes of cards. So you get the bigger one on the back. Then I got the loaded banner front panels, and then I realized after I got it that I'm going to need another set that's the loaded banners. So I didn't get that, but I got that because look at the hearts on that. Won't that be fun for a banner for Valentine's? And then the mini flowers. I thought these would be a blast, so I'm going to try those. I love memory decks cards. This is the Viewmaster to put it together. Now on her site, I saw, uh, that film strip thing, the disc that goes in your Viewmaster. For those of you who know what a Viewmaster is, there was one with hearts, but I can't find it to where you can order it. But I thought that would be cute. So I don't have a disc for mine yet. I haven't decided what I wanted. And then the scalloped tag set. I thought this would be lots of fun to have that on the bottom with your tags. So yeah, I got the Valentine's Day words set number 1. X and O's, be mine. It's hard to read backwards. Love. I don't know what this one is. Galentine, I think. And I'm not sure about that one. But anyway, Valentine words, so those will be a lot of fun. So that was my Christmas present. Scrap Diva Designs Dies. And I'm going to be playing with this one first. Sorry about the glare. And remember, you can buy these at Country Craft Creations physical store in Utah. And if you're going to the retreat, that's going to be great. You can shop and see what she has on hand and have them right away to take home with you. Otherwise, you might have to check out Scrap Diva Designs. Thanks, everybody. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell, and all that. Thanks. And check out countrycraftcreations.com for more supplies. Bye-bye.